Consequence-driven analysis is all about making an assumption and then determining what upstream or downstream will change as a result of that assumption. Let's go back to our self-driving trucking example to demonstrate this. Okay, so now it's the year 2035 and self-driving trucks have been widely adopted by commercial logistics companies successfully. What consequences does that hold for our industry? Again, this is where we have to brainstorm. And remember, we don't have to brainstorm alone. We could go to experts in different areas of our business, such as finance and the legal team, with this question. In our example, there's a few things that come to mind. First, driver-related accidents are now reduced to near 0%. This means that as a company, we're probably paying out significantly less in fees related to accidents, but our insurance premiums might also go way down too. Another consequence would be that we basically have no drivers to pay, but now we need special technicians to perform safety checks on the AI. Our costs could go up or down depending on the number of people who have to transition and the salaries we would need to pay them. And then a third consequence would be that our data usage costs would be significantly higher. Our trucks would be run with complex computer programs, so we'd have to assume that our data usage would be higher too. We could forecast this using today's current rates. This sort of exercise can be helpful when figuring out what to build next in your product roadmap. For instance, if you have multiple items, but one has greater consequences and others are less clear, the path forward could be easier to choose. So hopefully consequence-driven analysis helps you anticipate what might change as a result of your actions. Next, we're going to bring all these principles together in a concrete example to help illustrate.